What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the rear parking light bulb, bulb number 194, in a 2014 Chevy Impala. The housing is located in the trunk lid. If you're looking for the brake/turn signal bulb or the reverse bulb, see my other video, link in the description. First, open the trunk lid, then go to the back of the car. There are two plastic pop rivets and a rubber bumper that must be removed. Remove the rubber bumper. There are 3 keyhole slots in the trunk lid and 3 mating pegs in the bumper. It's designed to push the outer end up to release one peg, then push the bumper sideways, away from the center of the car, to release the last 2 pegs. Then it pulls out. But if you carefully pry it out, it will easily come out without the need to push it in multiple directions. Next, remove the plastic pop rivets with a pop rivet pry bar or a flathead screwdriver. I use the small crowbar, which works well. Then pull the trunk lid liner away to expose the back side of the taillight housing, where there is a light bulb socket. Rotate the socket counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. Pull the bulb straight out of the socket. The replacement bulb is 194. Push the new bulb straight into the socket and reinstall the socket into the housing. Rotate it clockwise to secure it. Push the trunk lid liner back into place. Reinsert the pop rivets by pushing them back in. And reinstall the bumper by inserting the 2 centermost pegs into the keyhole slots, pushing it toward the center of the car. Then insert the outermost peg into the last slot and push it down. Now you're all set. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.